Right, welcome to a brand new one. So far, what we've been doing is we've been doing different things with Kubiya Slack integration. Now we've been instructing Kubiya that create an S3 bucket, write a Terraform script. Now there's something cool about Kubiya that provides you a dashboard as well, which provides us a comprehensive overview of what you've been doing, and you can manage few of the things when it comes to governance and policies, a lot of other cool things with Kubiya dashboard. So how do you open it? So you go to app.kubiya.ai and then punch in your username and password. It as soon as you land into the dashboard, it shows you number of users you have. Right now I'm only playing alone using Kubiya. Then we have got executed action. It shows us that how many hours you have saved as well. Let's suppose, how does it calculate? Probably in the back end, it amount of time you take to write a Terraform code and amount of time actually Kubiya generates the same amount of code. So it saves a lot of time and it shows you how many hours are saved as well. It gives you an execution chart as well, which shows you that how many times you have executed an instruction on Kubiya. Then you have got top user chart, gives you a comprehensive overview that how many users are active and which tool you are using the most. So I'm using mostly AWS, so 100% of my actions are against AWS. Now it gives you the result of how many are passed and how many are failed as well. The green sign shows you how many actions are executed successfully, and the red one tells you that they were abandoned or not able to run successful. You can refresh and get the list of data for today and last week and last month as well. If you hover over the data, you see the connection over here on the left hand side, how many connection you have got. We've already got a connection with AWS, so it shows you that you've connected with AWS, connected and last created was 19 hours back. You could add a new connection. As soon as you click on the new connection, you get a bunch of options: AWS, GitHub, Jira, Kubernetes, Jenkins, Docker image. We've only explored AWS so far, but something cool really coming up as well, wherein we're going to show you how to integrate with GitHub, Jira, Kubernetes, and bunch of other tools as well. You get a comprehensive list of action history as well, what has been run by your users. So this particular user has been a lot of these AWS connections, wherein it is using the managed Kubiya runner. These are like build agents in your CI/CD pipeline. It tells you what was the operation done and it was successful or not. If you click over here, it tells you that what are the action done and what are the action parameters over here. You've got your action runner, which tells you that whether you are using a Kubiya runner or your own runner. Then you've got your secrets, which tells you that how many secrets which you have saved. You could refresh, delete, rotate them as well, just like you would do in your cloud environment as well. The coolest part is you could create user and group, which means let's suppose you've got multiple DevOps or infrastructure engineers. You want to group them basis on admins, developers, or QA. So you could create groups and start adding your users as well. You've got your policy, which helps you to govern what type of action you would authorize your user to do. Right now, it's a greenfield environment for me, but for an enterprise, it's super important to start creating policies and assigning it to the right group, to the right users. All right, that's pretty much all from the Kubiya dashboard. Go ahead and try it on your end and see how many hours you have saved. I've already saved more than 38 hours of my while working in the DevOps infrastructure. Let me know how many hours you have saved using Kubiya. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.